Brothers and sisters, let me ask you a question. If I gave you 90 days, only 3 months, to completely change your life, would you believe it's possible? Most people waste years waiting for the perfect time, but the truth is, in Islam, the perfect time is now. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Take advantage of 5 before 5, your youth before your old age, your health before your sickness, your wealth before your poverty, your free time before your busyness, and your life before your death." Subhanallah, time is slipping away. This winter can be your season of transformation, your winter arc. Step 1, discipline over motivation. Motivation fades. Discipline builds character. Think of Salah. You don't always feel like praying, but you still do it. That's what changes you. The Prophet ﷺ said, "The most beloved deeds to Allah are those done regularly, even if they are small." So in the next 90 days, don't overwhelm yourself. Just start small. Pray on time. Read even 1 page of Quran daily. Build the muscle of consistency, because success in dunya and akhirah comes from habits done with sincerity. Step 2. Cut the distractions. You cannot level up if you're trapped in endless scrolling, late-night series, or wasting hours on meaningless things. Winter is a time for retreat. Cut out what drains your energy. Ask yourself, what is stealing my focus from Allah and my future? Then cut it. Even a single hour saved from distractions can change your life if you fill it with purpose. Step 3. Feed your soul, not just your body. The nights are long in winter. Use them. Even a few rak'at of qiyam can transform your heart. The Prophet ﷺ said, "The closest that a servant comes to his Lord is during the last part of the night." Start small, 2 rak'at before Fajr, or 5 minutes of heartfelt dua. Slowly, your soul will come alive again. You'll feel your heart softening, because the cold of the night becomes warm with the remembrance of Allah. Step 4. Learn a skill. Build your future. Islam doesn't just teach us to prepare for the akhirah. It teaches us ihsan, excellence, in this world too. In the next 90 days, commit to learning a skill that will benefit you in both dunya and akhirah. Maybe it's public speaking, maybe it's coding, writing, design, business, or memorizing Quran. Ask yourself, if I learn this skill now, who will I be by 2026? That's how you build strength, independence, and the ability to serve others. Remember the hadith, the most beloved people to Allah are those who are most beneficial to the people. Learning new skills isn't just self-improvement. It's ibadah when your intention is to benefit the ummah. Step 5. Invest in akhirah daily. Don't underestimate small deeds. 90 days means 90 opportunities. Give sadaqah, even $1. Call your parents. Help a stranger. Serve someone without expecting thanks. Every single day, leave a footprint for your akhirah. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Save yourself from the fire even by giving half a date in charity." So do something no matter how small, because Allah loves consistency more than perfection. Now imagine it's the end of 2025. You're stepping into 2026. You look back at these 90 days. You see the discipline you built, the Quran you read, the nights you stood in prayer, the skills you learned, the sins you left behind. You don't enter 2026 as the same person. You enter wiser, stronger, closer to Allah, more valuable to the people around you. Day 1 today, 90. You didn't just survive. You transformed. Because transformation doesn't take a lifetime. It only takes a decision. And all you need is to start today. Brothers and sisters, this winter is your arc. Your time to plant the seeds. Don't wait for motivation. Build discipline. Don't waste your nights. Fill them with Quran, with dua, with learning. Don't enter 2026 the same way you entered this year. Enter as a believer who leveled up in both deen and dunya, because Allah does not change the condition of a people until they change what is within themselves. So Bismillah, let's begin. Your winter arc starts now,